Going upstairs to the second floor, and there is a Winmart. It's a supermarket in the mall. Thư ngon thượng hạng. Sữa tươi, fresh milk that's just left outside. That's weird. Sữa tươi sao nó để ngoài đây? Tiger beer, Heineken. Got some wines. Look at this. Ham tip. What is that? Caramel. Bưởi xanh, 39,000 a kilogram. Dưa hấu. Mini watermelons for 14.900 một ký. Fuji apples, táo Fuji 84.000 một ký hay là một túi? Một túi. One bag for 84,900. Check out the fruit here. It's like an Asian Korean pears. 100 grand, 99,900. Let's check out how much kiwi is. There's two kinds. New Zealand kiwi, green. 145,000. New Zealand kiwi. This one is yellow kiwi for 209,000. We're at the yogurt station. 6,800 for a yogurt. Ooh, they got Yakult. 42,000. Laughing Cow head cheese. 37,000 for the light. 50,000 for the 140 kilograms. Oh, let's see. They got sausage. Sausage don't look good. Suksitduk, German sausage. 112,000. Bánh bao. Chải giò. Egg roll, 70,000. Egg roll, 70,000. 69. And it gets lower and lower. 51,000 for egg rolls. This is the most expensive one. Mồng tơi. Mồng tơi 20.000 một gói. Rau muống 500 gram 11.900. Rau lan 500 gram 17.500. Rau ngọt 300g 15.900. Cải xanh 300g 15.900. Cải ngọt 11.900. Bok choy cải xanh and we got lettuce on sale, 49,000. Xà lách 64.900. Salmon 157,000. Ginger 22,000. Mì gói, a whole wall of it. Just like us. 7.600 một bịch. $6.500 một bịch. Sữa cây 12.000 một bịch. All right, let's get some chips. We have chips, vỉ bò bít tết, New York style. I don't know how New York style steak should taste like. Vỉ bò nướng tiêu. Vỉ thân bò Texas sirloin, nori. Muối ớt. All right, over here, Pringles. Over here is Slide. Copy of Pringles. 24,000 for a half can. Slide. Sour cream and onion, kem chua và hành. 45,000 for cheese flavor. Lay's. Also, what is a spicy lobster taste like? Oh my god, hot chili squid. All right. Most of the people here, if they're trying to be fancy, then they drink Heineken. 18,700 a can, almost $1. 25,000 is $1. But the famous beer here is Tiger beer. Everybody drinks Tiger. I've been drinking Tiger all week long. Heineken is a luxury, but it looks like it's the same price though. It's stronger. Edelweiss looks like it's more expensive. We got Corona here too. 23,500 a mini bottle. For a full bottle is 38,000. $1.50-ish. Sapporo, 17,000. Beer Red Ruby, 10,000, cheapest beer. So on the 5th floor is where all the food is. And the movie theater's up here also. I see Jollibees and I think about home. Jollibee gà rang giòn tan ngon tuyệt. Let's check out and see how much Jollibee is. There's a game zone area. And let's check it out. Gà rang giòn tan ngon tuyệt. Jollibee is crowded. Vietnamese people love fried chicken. Right. We are chicken sandwich, 50,000, and a hamburger for 50,000 for the meal, I think. 30,000 for just the sandwich. Got sockeye chicken with chili sauce. Got y'all. 80,000 for 2 pieces. Chicken Joy, right? Chicken for 65,000. And then you have 139,000. 3 pieces of chicken. 1 spaghetti. And then you have the desserts. The peach mango is 10,000. The peach tea is 20. Oh man, I want a bánh kem khoai môn ube hot pocket and a tropical sundae for 20 rand. All right, to the left of Jollibee, we have Tucha. It is a Thai hot pot where someone's meal is right here. Just gonna go ahead and video their meal. Looks like pork belly, 2 kinds of sauces. I wonder how much. Tucha hot pot buffet. 239,000 on Monday. On Tuesday, 235. Go 5 and get 4. Pay for 4. Thursday is 10% off. Thursday. Alright, thứ ba, thứ tư, thứ năm. Oh, Thursday is 10% off. Miễn phí một phần buffet cho em. Okay. Friday, thứ sáu, Friday, you get 1 kid for free. Thứ bảy, chủ nhật đi 4 người, tính 3 người thôi, 299.000. Alright, to the left is King Buffet. It's a Korean barbecue place. Vua nướng Hàn Quốc. Alright. 229,000 buffet. What's the difference? 289,000 and 322. 3 different levels. Alright. On level 6 is Dookie, a Korean ramen buffet. 139,000 buffet.